Today we are looking into one of Nigeria's most talked about legal battles, Meta versus Federal Competition and Consumer Protection Commission. As usual, I break down complex legal cases and turn them into simple and enjoyable stories you can follow. Back in 2020, FCCPC, working with Nigeria Data Protection Commission, launched a 38-month investigation into Meta, the company behind Facebook, WhatsApp, and Instagram. Before then, Nigerians had concerns. They felt their data had been mishandled, their privacy ignored, and their rights has been trampled upon compared to users in other countries. The investigation actually uncovered troubling truths. Meta was sharing Nigerians' users' data without proper consent, imposing unfair data policies, and treating Nigerian users differently from those in Europe or America. By 19th of July 2024, FCCPC issued a final order, slamming Meta with a $220 million administrative penalty and demanding a reform to their privacy practice. Meta, unwilling to accept defeat, appealed. Their lawyer argued that FCCPC had overstepped its powers, breached their fair hearing, and lacked jurisdiction. On the 28th of January, both parties presented their final arguments before the Competition and Consumer Protection Tribunal, a three-man panel led by Honorable Thomas Okosun. Meta's team, led by Professor Gbolahan Elias, SAN, insisted that the fine was unlawful. The FCCP's team, led by Mr. Gbolahan Irukera, countered with evidence of consumers' expectation and privacy violation. On the 25th of April 2025, the tribunal delivered its verdict. It dismissed Meta's appeal, affirming that the FCCPC had acted within its constitutional and statutory mandate. The tribunal ruled that Meta and WhatsApp had indeed engaged in discriminatory and exploitative practices violating the Nigerian law. It upheld the $220 million fine and awarded additional $35,000 in investigation costs to the FCCPC. The tribunal also addressed Meta's claim of unfair hearing. It found that FCCPC had given Meta ample opportunities to defend itself and due process was observed. In plain words, Nigeria stood its ground. The court affirmed that Nigerian consumers deserve fairness, dignity, and protection in digital space. So, if there's any other Nigerian legal case you want me to talk about, please let me know in the comment section and I'll be seeing you in my next video.